What's up, Fitter Squad? This is Brad, aka 250, coming to you with another quick video. And today I'm meeting up with the homie Ryan over at Speed Zone. We're going over some coilover setup that needs to be adjusted. But other than that, probably just hang out for a little bit and see if we can get into. I'm supposed to be picking up some new wheels too, so I'm not sure if that's gonna take place or not. I reached out to the seller, so I'm just waiting for a response. But yeah, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so it looks like my first one here, possibly. It seems like it's a light day, but it's always a great day when this is out here. Right-hand drive, of course, since that's all they made. You guys need to come check out Speed Zone. They got all the seats on deck. Plus they got some that are not out here yet too. There he is. I ain't hear him today. I wonder if he turned the music down a little early. So yeah, the guy who's selling the wheels is gonna be heading this way soon. So stay tuned for those. And of course, gotta get this since we're in the back. Got another Skyline over there. Alright, so he showed up. Got the wheels.
I see y'all around.